Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to this morning come on and share with you guys this small project that I've been working on yesterday. I made some witch brooms, something I've been wanting to make for a while. So I just got some inspiration from a couple of videos, and I want to go ahead and show you guys how I am making them. Basically, I am using straws. I have all types of straws, definitely ones that I've bought and many that you guys have gifted to me. These happen to be of a Halloween palette, but if you're like me, I have Easter straws, Christmas straws, spring straws, Thanksgiving straws, Halloween straws, and ones that you can use just every day. I've used some when I've made my pinwheel bouquets, so just a variety. So I started like I said, watching some channels, and I first was going to make them with some crepe, some craft paper, right? So I made this one, and then I said, let me visit a channel and see what folks are doing, and I found one that uses crepe paper, and I think it's cuter this way. It really looks like a broom. And then it was my idea to put these spider rings on them. I had a bag full. I was going through my Halloween boxes trying to put everything together in categories so that I can get ready to put it away. And I had these skinny little spider rings, and I thought they would be perfect. So my glue gun is hot. I'm going to be using some crepe paper here. Right? I just cut it with my fringe scissors. I've used some of the tinsel. Right? I used some orange and some purple, but I think I'm going to use some eyelash trim. I saw someone use some eyelash trim, so I'm going to see how that looks. And I have some gems that I picked up, I want to say at Joann's, and this is just going to be what's on top of the brooms. Okay, so those are those. So let's get started. I'll use an orange one. So I've cut these straws in half, and when you cut them in half, one side always gets bent from the cut. So I'm going to use that side to put inside of the crepe paper, and the other side I'm going to use to put the gem on top. So basically I have a gem here, a clear gem. I'm going to get my glue gun on this side. I'm just going to put some glue all around the very top of my straw. And then I'm going to turn it upside down and put it on top of the gem. Like that. There we go. Okay, my next step is to open up the crepe paper. And, you know, I can't say how much to use. I kind of judge it, but I have these little pieces here, right? I'm going to start with those, but then I have a longer strip. And basically what I do with the crepe paper is I just fold it. I cut off a long strip, I fold it in half, and then I fold it again, and then I just make my slits like that. So first thing I'm going to do is, let's see here, lay my camera down so you can see. I'm just going to start by putting some glue on the top part of the crepe paper. And then I'm going to lay the straw kind of right along that edge, right before the fringe. And then I'm just going to turn it. Right, trying to keep it lined up on that edge. There we go. And I'm just going to keep on doing this. Like I said, I'm going to use these two pieces that I already have cut. I'm trying to wrap up these Halloween projects, but I keep finding more and more and more to do. So we're going to the post office today. My daughter wants to mail off 2 treat poppers to her friends, and then she has to do a return for a clothing article that she purchased. So I think the majority of mine I will have packed up by this week and out in the mail. So that's pretty skinny. I think I want to use a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and use this other strip. Let's put a little glue. And same thing. Start it on the tip. And then if you just kind of keep it with some tension, then you can just roll it up. So the tutorial I saw, the girl used a bow, whatever you want to decorate the front. I think the tinsel is a good idea. I've had these small pieces of tinsel in my Halloween box forever, so here I am using what I have and have had forever. So then when you get to the end, you just want to put a little more glue on that edge so that it can stay closed. There you go. And there is your broom. And if you were to press it down like this, then it kind of opens itself up. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to add some of that eyelash trim. Some of this here. So all I'm going to do is put a little glue on the edge, and I just kind of squeeze and roll as I go. No science to that. And I'm just going to lay this eyelash trim down, and I'm going to twirl the broom so that the eyelash trim catches much of that glue. Okay, and I think I'm going to put a little more here, and then I'm going to stop right there. So I'm going to hold it so that it stays. And like I said, she put a bow, you can put a button, you can put whatever. I think I'm not going to put anything but the spider. Okay, so then I know it's stuck right there, it's stopped right there, so I'm going to get my scissors and cut the trim off like so. So there you go. Okay, get Mr. Glue Gun out the way. Next I'm going to get my ring out, and I'm going to make sure I have his bottom facing down and his top facing up. Now I was kind of sliding it on like that, but I didn't dig that, so I'm kind of opening it up like this and just kind of putting it over that area. There you go. And there is another witch broom. Really, really simple, really cute. I almost like it with the tinsel because it does give it a little sparkle. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of these 7. And then that's going to be that project done. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you tried this. If you haven't tried it, give it a try, especially using up straws, using up crepe paper, and then some of those plastic rings if you have any, and then some gems. So it makes a really cute project. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.